Good morning, Julie here. And this is 64, almost 65. I can't even believe it. I'm gonna be 65 in April. But this is 64, and this is a face that, it's starting to show some wear and tear a little bit. I started using good skincare, thankfully, when I was 19 years old and haven't used very many lines. So I want to talk to you today about the importance of taking care of your skin. Now, it's morning. I happen to be recording this on a Saturday. And it doesn't matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day of the week it is, I take care of my face morning and night. And I have done that since I was 19 years old. I recently, back in the late summer, started using Seint skincare, along with a couple of anti-aging products that I'll tell you about. But if you want someone to help you with your skin and you want to use a good, clean skincare line, this is really a nice line. I'm going to start this morning with the cleanser. It's a milk-based cleanser. Skim milk, cultured skim milk. When I first started using, I thought, what? But anyway, it's different. You gotta shake it. And then I do 1, 2, 3, you can see that. 3 spritzes. I put it all over my face. Now, I typically am standing at the sink and I swipe my hands under the water just briefly. Make sure you hit your neck. And then I'm using, oh my goodness, we all know about microfiber cloths. These microfiber cloths, you buy them in a set of 3, or you can purchase, if you purchase a complete skincare set, you get 3 of these. I had a client here last week who ordered more of these and ordered some for gifts. They're so nice. I use mine for a couple of days, quite honestly. I rinse them out well. Okay, cleanser. The next thing that you're going to do is put on toner. Toner gets your skin back to pH. It also gets the rest of the makeup residue off. And in the morning, you're saying, but I don't have any makeup on. You don't, if you took off your makeup the night before. But your skin gets dirty. There is stuff floating all over your house. Just look at your cold air returns or your furnace filters. Again, 3 spritzes. I use either a cotton square or a cotton ball. Don't buy the great big huge ones because they soak up way too much product. Toner all over your face. Notice that I'm going in around my eyes. I never pull at my eyes. Let's talk eyes. Ladies, if you're not wearing sunglasses to protect your eyes, if you are too vain to start wearing glasses for readers so that you're always going like this, hey, get over it. Start wearing your glasses. Anyway, toner. Then I add an auxiliary product. This is a product, it's a vitamin C product. Vitamin C is so good for your face. And this is just a vitamin C lightweight lotion from a company called Bella, which is the upper end of makeup line from a company called Melaleuca. Maybe you're familiar. Maybe you use Melaleuca. Melaleuca is like a network marketing company where they have all kinds of products, cleaning products, supplements. I love I used their Bella skincare line for several years until I started using Seint. I'm considering being a rep again, but I'd need to know that I had enough interest from people. You have to be a member to buy their products off their website. And so anyway, it's a really good product. If you're interested in it, my sister is a rep. She can get it for you and I can hook you up with her. Or find another vitamin C line. There's a lot of really good vitamin C lines out there. And so I put that on. Then I use the cream. It says on the back of it, it's for night. It's a little bit thicker Ladies, if you're using my makeup and you've got oily skin, you might choose to skip this, okay? Although it's really light and it's formulated such that it works so well with the cream makeup. But again, milk-based. All of these products are milk-based. And I do not use an eye serum. I never have been good about using an eye serum. I put my product right around my face. I do know that some ladies have a lot of puffiness under their eyes. And so, again, there's some nice products with Bella that are eye products. I also am a distributor. You're going to be like, how many companies are you involved with? I just want to recommend what's best for you. But I'm also a distributor with a company called Facial 5. I have to purchase a chunk of products at a time. They have a serum that I understand is really nice. Many people have used it and love it. They also have a tightening product. And this is called Tighten Up Hyaluronic Serum. And I do regularly use this too if you want a tightening product, okay? But at bare bones, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, all right? Day and night, every day, every night. And then I'll talk about exfoliating in another video. Bare bones, it should take you about 1 minute or a little bit more to do your skincare. If you're interested in getting on Seint Skincare, I'll post the link and you can order it. And if you want the cloths that go with, you can order a skincare set and get 3 of those. I recommend gray. So anyway, hope that is helpful today. Ladies, whether you're 20 or 40 or 60 or 80, take care of your skin. Your makeup will only look as good as what your skin is maintained. It's sort of like putting paint on a barn that hasn't been scraped. Not a great result. So, Seint Skincare, milk-based, very pure, great product.